Babajukwa warns Mnangagwa the day he touches Mondlane is out in 7 days. Saka mina mashoko atona kuti Babajukwa vokanda mathreats vachiti aiwa munobata zvenyu aiwa Venancio Mondlane kana kuita any action towards him ndopamuchaona kuti Mozambique iri ruthless yasana nevagari vemunyika yeZimbabwe. Saka mina mashoko amudanyogwa pana upload bo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timbira pana panobva muchinzi by Babajukwa. Emerson Mnangagwa hear this cry echoing from the depths of Mozambique's souls. The agony of the Mozambican people, the suffering etched in their hearts, demands your unwavering attention. Do not test the patience of those who stand steadfast against tyranny. Do not lay a finger on Venancio Mondlane or his king, for their cause burns brighter than any oppressive force you could master. Beware of the winds of change, how fiercely. If you falter, if you dare to oppress, your days of unlawfully occupying State House will come to an abrupt and undeniable end. Within 7 days, you will be swept away, airlifted into irrelevance, retired by the very forces you sought to silence. By the close of this year, 31 December 2024, your thrones of illegitimacy will crumble to dust if you treat recklessly. Behave any other way and see what will happen to your legal tenancy of State House by 31 December 2024. Behave mfana asijiki ndatenda Babajukwa ndotsamba inonyuka pana Babajukwa pana pachithreat nachiti aiwa kana kuda kuona kuti vakomana veke kuMozambique vari ruthless kana kuti vakomana vakajamuka zamai kunotambira ipapo muona kuti aiwa State House vanenge vasvikapo pasina kana 7 days and vanenge vaya vako lift ai tudze mafunguro enyu motudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu musava subscribe like turn on the bell.